Are you tired of the traditional 9 minutes, 5 job and want to make money online? In this video, we will be discussing 5 legitimate ways for beginners to make money online. With the increasing popularity of the internet, making money online has become easier than ever before. So let's get started. The first legitimate way to make money online is through freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing and a passion for words, then you can easily make money by working as a freelance writer. Companies, bloggers, and website owners are always in need of content, and they are willing to pay good money for it. You can start by creating a profile on freelance platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr and start bidding on writing jobs. Another way to make money online is through online tutoring. If you have expertise in any subject, you can leverage your skills by tutoring students online. You can start by creating a profile on websites such as Chegg or TutorMe and start teaching students in your spare time. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money online. In affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and earn a commission on every sale that you make. You can start by creating a blog or YouTube channel in a specific niche and promote products related to that niche through affiliate partnerships. Taking online surveys is a simple way for beginners to make money online. There are many websites that offer paid surveys, and all you need to do is answer a few questions and earn money. Although the pay may not be high, it's still an easy way to earn some extra cash on the side. These are just a few legitimate ways for beginners to make money online. Whether you're looking to work part-time or full-time, there are many opportunities available online. Just keep in mind that it takes time and effort to build up your online income, and be wary of scams. Good luck on your online journey.